Welcome to English Conversation class. Today we will learn how to talk to a girl. Okay, let's start.
What's your name?
I'm Gia.
How old are you, Gia?
I'm 16 years old.
In which class do you study?
I study in 11th class.
Are you a science or an arts student?
I am an arts student.
What's your father?
He works in a private concern.
How many brothers do you have?
I have 2 brothers.
How many sisters are you?
We are 2 sisters.
Do you have any best friend?
Yes, Mita is my best friend.
Whom do you love the most?
I love my India the most.
That's make you an ideal Indian.